8 toxic alpha male traits women secretly love. In the labyrinth of human attraction, where the dance of desire weaves its mysterious web, there lie secrets untold, whispers of allure that defy the norms of convention. It's within this shadowy realm of the unspoken that certain traits, often labeled as toxic, within what's considered the alpha male archetype, paradoxically hold a magnetic pull. But why? Is it the danger, the challenge, or the raw honesty they inadvertently represent? In a world crying out for equality, it seems almost forbidden to voice that, within the complex tapestry of human emotion and attraction, there are aspects of the traditionally strong, assertive, and sometimes overbearing alpha male persona that some women find irresistibly attractive. This narrative is not about diminishing the importance of equality or mutual respect. Rather, it's an exploration into the psychology of attraction, acknowledging that the heart and the mind often find themselves at odds with societal expectations. If you want a step-by-step guide on how to approach, date, and seduce women, check the link in the description. It's the best comprehensive guide out there. The Unyielding Confidence. Confidence is more than just an outward show of bravado. It's a deep-seated belief in oneself and one's abilities. When balanced, this confidence is infectious, encouraging those around to believe in themselves and their dreams. In the context of a relationship, this means fostering an environment where both partners feel empowered to take risks and embrace their vulnerabilities. This shared confidence can be the bedrock upon which a couple builds a life full of mutual respect and admiration, navigating life's challenges with a united front. True confidence doesn't diminish others but lifts them, making it a cornerstone for a relationship that thrives on equality, understanding, and mutual support. The aura of mystery. While mystery might initially attract, it's the gradual unveiling of one's true self that deepens the connection between partners. This doesn't mean losing one's sense of individuality, but rather sharing those hidden parts of oneself with someone trusted. In doing so, both partners embark on a journey of discovery that never truly ends. Each layer revealed strengthens the bond, forging a connection built on the excitement of discovery and the comfort of truly knowing each other. This process of mutual exploration and vulnerability is what turns attraction based on mystery into a deep, enduring love. The protector instinct. Protection, in its essence, is about providing safety and support. When channeled appropriately, this instinct nurtures a relationship where both individuals feel secure, not just physically but emotionally. It's about being there for each other, standing up for one another, and creating a partnership where both feel safe to share their fears and hopes. This reciprocal protection fosters a deep emotional connection, where the relationship becomes a sanctuary for both partners, allowing them to be their truest selves without fear of judgment. The challenge of taming. The concept of taming often misses the point of what truly strengthens a relationship: mutual growth and understanding. True connection is found not in changing each other, but in growing together, learning from one another, and adapting to meet each other halfway. This journey of mutual evolution is filled with challenges, but also with profound rewards. It's about building a relationship where both partners feel inspired to become better versions of themselves, not for each other, but with each other. This dynamic creates a bond that is not just about love, but about respect, admiration, and a deep-seated commitment to each other's happiness and growth. The raw honesty. Honesty, even when raw and unfiltered, is the foundation of trust in any relationship. However, true honesty is delivered with kindness and respect, aiming not to wound, but to foster understanding and closeness. This level of open communication requires courage from both partners to face uncomfortable truths, but it also opens the door to a deeper level of intimacy. It's about creating a space where both partners can express their thoughts and feelings openly, knowing they will be received with compassion and empathy. This trust forms the bedrock of a strong relationship, where both individuals feel seen, heard, and valued. The dominant presence. Dominance, when it's about taking the lead with respect and consideration, can be a positive force in a relationship. It's about stepping up when needed but also stepping back to allow the other person to shine. True partnership dominance is about balance, knowing when to lead and when to follow, and recognizing the strengths each brings to the relationship. This respectful give and take creates a dynamic where both partners feel empowered and valued, leading to a relationship that is both balanced and harmonious. The unapologetic pursuit of goals. Ambition and the pursuit of goals are commendable, but when shared within a relationship, they can become a powerful source of connection and mutual support. It's about celebrating each other's successes, providing comfort in times of failure, and always encouraging each other to reach for the stars. This shared ambition fosters a partnership where both individuals are committed to not only their personal growth, but to the growth of their relationship. It's a dynamic that encourages both partners to dream big, not just as individuals, but as a team, building a life together that is full of purpose, passion, and mutual achievement. The emotional fortress. The emotional strength often associated with the alpha persona can, in fact, be a deep well of sensitivity and empathy when allowed to surface in a trusting relationship. Breaking down these walls isn't about conquest. It's about building trust and showing genuine care and understanding. It's a journey that requires patience, compassion, and the willingness to be vulnerable. As these barriers fall, partners discover a level of emotional intimacy and understanding that forms the foundation of a deeply connected relationship. This emotional openness allows both partners to share their deepest fears, joys, and hopes, creating a bond that is not just about love, but about true companionship and mutual support. In conclusion, while certain traits traditionally associated with the alpha male persona might initially attract, it's the deeper, more meaningful dynamics of mutual respect, empathy, and shared growth that sustain a healthy, fulfilling relationship. Each of these aspects, when approached with care and consideration, can contribute to a partnership that is both exciting and nurturing, challenging and supportive, allowing both individuals to thrive individually and together. In synthesizing the essence of our exploration into the nuanced traits often attributed to the alpha male persona and their complex allure, it becomes evident that the foundation of a deeply fulfilling and mutually respectful relationship lies far beyond surface-level attractions. True connection and enduring love are built on the pillars of unyielding confidence tempered with humility, the intriguing aura of mystery unveiled through vulnerability, a protector instinct that champions mutual support, the enriching challenge of joint evolution, raw honesty delivered with compassion, balanced leadership that fosters equality. Each of these dynamics, when nurtured within a framework of mutual respect, empathy, and understanding, transcends the initial allure of any toxic traits, revealing the profound beauty of a partnership rooted in deep emotional intimacy, shared growth, and unconditional love. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and watch this one as well. Thanks for watching.